Alright, now let's see how to create a 2D contour operation. Go to the 2D menu in the top toolbar, then select 2D contour. OK, next, as I've previously explained, select the appropriate tool. If you've already created one, use that. Otherwise, set up a new tool. Now, go to the Geometry menu and select the area where you want to apply the contour. After that, go to the Heights menu. There, just like before, you'll need to input both the top height and the bottom height for your contour. Alright, next, go to the Passes menu. Here, you can input the tolerance, tool compensation, and many other details. You can also specify multiple depths from this section. Additionally, you have the option to set the stop to leave and the smoothing for your contour. Alright, let's watch the simulation of this now. Alright, now let's see how to create a contour operation for the pocket in this model. Just like before, you'll need to select the tool, Geometry, and set the passes for this as well. Also, keep in mind that for this operation, the material, machine, and the tool you're using might be different, so make sure to configure them to suit your needs. You can use the correct parameters for these. Thanks for watching the video. We'll meet again in the next tutorial.